giving slick back. Well, I did not put much input into it. New nails. It's 26th May today, and I woke up, I drank my coffee as usual, scrolled through reels, and then I cleaned my bed. Also, yesterday I bit my tongue while eating pakoras, and now it's paining. Literally on the wall I have a picture saying bite your tongue. So I think some things you put on the wall does come true. Also, new nails, new t-shirt. There is beauty in everything. Yep, there's beauty in everything. I'm the thing. I don't know what I will do today, but I really want to complete the book, The Picture of Dorian Gray. And maybe I'll see you after that. Also, the things I've been watching right now. A month before, I started watching Avatar: The Last Airbender because people were really excited about the new movie that leaked. Not gonna talk about that, but I binge watched the 3rd season of Avatar: The Last Airbender, and yeah, it was really good. It deserves its rating. Love the characters. After that, I did start The Legend of Korra. But I have been not binging it. It's been like I would watch it between when I want to have a slow day or something. Other than that, been watching Game of Thrones. My friend put me to it because she saw some great edits and she was like, we gotta start it now.
morning
or good afternoon. But today is 30th May, and a week ago I joined a feminist reading circle, and I've been wanting to do it for a while, but I didn't know where to find like feminist literature and what books should I read, if it is even intersectional feminism at all. But I did find a group, and it is supported by a creator that I really like. I'm excited for the first online discussion that we'll have today on meeting, and I will let you know how that goes. But before that, I have some errands to run, which is my mom told me to buy groceries, which is onion, potato, whatever, and I have to go out in this sunny afternoon and bring the groceries. I will oil my hair first. I haven't done it for a long time, but I will oil my hair first and then go out, and then after bringing the groceries back, I'll take a shower. Is it giving slick back? I think it's giving more gel. I don't know. It's oil though.
What are you talking about?
Yes. जब घर में ये वाला ब्रेड बचे आपके लिए, आपको अपनी वैल्यू समझ में आ जानी चाहिए. Eating pav bhaji now. We're ready to go out. Let's get some onions. Other things that I got, a snack obviously. This was the softest bread I could find. I hope mom rewards me for it because it's so squishy. And then rice. I'm not lifting up the rice. I'm already lifted a lot of vegetables, and I was. It's 3:25 right now, and the meeting for the feminist discussion reading circle begins at 4 p.m. and I have not washed my hair yet, and I'm not ready, and I've also not read the essay that has to be discussed. Great, but it's only 7 pages and I got it printed made. So I love the font, but we will make it in time. Time crunch. I'll wash my hair, I'll read the essay, and then I'll join the meeting on time. Trust. I'm done with the meeting, and it was a really nice experience to join the discussion. Well, I did not put much input into it, but I wanted to keep the first meeting as an experience of how I felt, or if I wanted to continue being in that circle. But it was a really nice experience, so I will absolutely continue it. Other than that, I did reach the meeting in time at like 4:02 p.m. and I didn't read the full essay till yet, but it's okay. It was like a guideline to read it with everyone else and discuss it, so that's fine.